Here's a little video of how easy it is to use your Keto mojo. First of all, I'm removing the tip of the lancet and putting it into the pen rather trickily. Pop the cap back on, and then I set the gauge to 5, which is the highest level. Just means that I am able to pull blood. Then I take my keto strips out of the packaging. One is for glucose and one is for measuring ketones. And what you're going to do is pop this into the Keto Mojo reader, and then the other end will take the blood. So I'm just using on the side of my finger, which means it's less painful because there are less nerve endings there. Prick, and you only need a small amount of blood. As you can see here, I'm just encouraging the blood flow to come. I usually hold my finger down, which is what I've done off camera here, to encourage the blood flow. One thing I would also say is to wash your hands in warm water before you do this. It tends to make the blood flow easier. And then just pricking again, because clearly my finger does not want to give up blood today, despite me having washed my hands in the warm water. So as you can see, you don't need a lot, small amount, and I'm popping my strip into the reader, and then just where you can see that metallic line in the middle, popping the blood on the end, and it literally flows down and will then beep when it's acknowledged enough blood's been taken, and then will generate a reading of either a ketone or glucose, whichever strip you have put into the machine. Just waiting for the app to sync with my measurements whilst trying to keep the blood flow going in my finger. I tend to try and do this so that when I come to then take the other measurement, I hopefully don't need to re-prick. So I pull that one out of the machine that is now spent, and then put the other one in the right way around, which I clearly haven't done in this moment, so I'm just turning it round. And then get that blood on that strip and get the reading going. It really is that simple to do, but also so beneficial to take these readings when you are doing your longer fasts and building a fasting lifestyle, because it helps you to see where your body is working efficiently and where you maybe need to concentrate on getting those levels to be working better.